Take a small empty container and fill it with Vaseline body lotion cream. Then, break open one capsule of vitamin E oil and mix in it with the lotion. Mix both the ingredients well. Now, gently apply this lotion all over your face and body. You can either use this lotion or cream before going to bed and leave it overnight, or you can apply it on your body after shower in the morning. But remember, don't use this lotion if you have a problem of breakouts, acne, or clogged pores. You may also apply it to your whole body, mainly your hands and legs. It will get rid of your dry skin problem completely. Apply it thoroughly onto your whole body every night before going to bed. You will notice moisture and smoothness in your skin. As an occlusive moisturizer, it prevents your skin from drying out. You can also use it for dry skin during cold weather. It not only makes your skin soft and supple, but also gives a natural glow that one can dream of. You can also add few drops of essential oils like peppermint oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil or rosemary essential oil. Essential oils, also called volatile oils, are scented oils extracted from plants. They've been used in medicine, cosmetics, perfumes, food, and more. Vitamin E oil used in lotion works to block free radicals from the body, which play a large part in the aging process. If we can fight off free radicals, then we can reduce wrinkles and keep the skin youthful looking. This lotion will help to lighten your skin, repair dry and dull skin, and give you a natural glow. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.